Look at that separation right there.
Yeah.
That's where we had the foundation fixed.
Yeah, when they raise it.
Yep.
That's why I'm being right here.
Wow.
In this plumbing tutorial video, we will take you step by step, every step of the way, all the way through. From the troubleshooting phase to the tunneling phase, every step, everything you need to know for the biggest plumbing jobs you will ever have to tackle. From startup to completion, everything you need to know step by step.
Broken sewer pipe, clogged vent, or just stopped up pipe. Which is it? You don't want to know. This gets bad. Okay. If you are having this happen, when you drain the bathtub and you get bubbles coming up out of the toilet,
Here we are outside. We're going to open our clean out. I'm going to slowly open this in case there's any pressure on it. Don't want to get splashed. Okay. The next thing is to get the extension ladder out and look at the roof. All right, here we are. This is for the AC. That's regular vents here. Got some more on the other side. Okay, so I've been on the roof, checked the vents. I didn't snake the vents, but I didn't see anything that's really apparent. But I got suspicions that it's a clogged pipe. God forbid that it's not a broke sewage pipe. Obviously, this is a sewage pipe right here. And, you know, it's got Y's and elbows and stuff like that in it. And with the foundation we've had repaired here, this is a high probability. So I think we need to get the bigger guns out here and actually get a certified plumber. And we'll both learn a little bit more together.
Inside the water?
Pipe, you got a broken line, I'm sure.
Take 5 seconds. You not back yet?
Open up, look, and see it. I'm gonna see if he sees the cable. Just a second. Okay. Really is where water is, you got a pipe.
Yeah.
Came out of it. Right there.
Oh, wow.
That's it, right there. It's separated, sir. It's
Yes,
broken.
sir.
Right here. That's where my cable went through the first time. We
got the
flushed.
mud.
Yeah, we flushed it. Pull it back just a hair. Just a hair. Yeah, that's right there. Go a little bit more. Let's see. That's exactly it. It's like I had a Y.
Yeah.
Right there is a Y fitting. And it's coming from like going that way, this way. And
How deep are we in?
hold on. Okay. Go get that tape in. 13 feet.
13 feet. Okay. Wow, so we're having to get the sewer line repaired, so they're having to tunnel under the house, similar to what they did when we did the foundation repair. Wow. And it's wet. This is not an easy job, for sure. Look at all the water down there.
bottom. So this is going into concrete. So we're gonna have to bust out some of this concrete, unfortunately. Oh, that's concrete. This will be fixed tomorrow. It's busted up here too, all the way across. See what happened? What had happened was this rigidity of the concrete didn't move. Oh, you see it? Look at how that. Well, the ground's moved, but when the foundation moved 3 and almost a half inches, it's what broke this, because this is rigid, moving with the house and the foundation, and this is moving with the ground. Yeah, baby. I am looking at this mess. So yeah, it is what it is. It's a big job. So if you ever want to know, that's what it looks like. That's what your sewer pipe looks like. Okay. Yeah, baby. I'm looking at this pipe.
Why are you so giant?
Oh, that's so giant. It actually ain't stinky. It just smells like mud. What's this? Oh, I think they're using their foot on that. I think they just stuck that in the... Ah, the monster! Whoa! Here comes the monster! Ah, the monster!
So we're going to backfill with this dirt and get rid of most of this clay. It won't never settle for a good foundation. It's a process, but it's worth it. Okay, so we just got done unloading the last of the 3 yards of dirt here. So the reason we're bringing this in is because this will not pack. This will stay soft for years and years and years around the plumbing and keep it from packing and getting real hard and rigid and breaking the plumbing again. Yeah, so you put this softer dirt in here. It's actually dirt mixed with a mulch, and they swear by it that for years and years it will stay soft, and unlike this stuff that will move around, and when it gets dry it gets extremely hard, like brick hard. But this will be more forgiving for the plumbing and keep the plumbing from breaking.
Oh, yeah.
This was work on the left end of the white.
Yes.
The white was done like this and like this.
Uh-huh.
This was the broken spot.
Yeah.
The rest is just cutting in pieces and making room.
Okay, perfect.
And this one, they put it to make
Just a
sleeve.
cover?
It
Yeah.
was a sleeve for the. I think they want to put it over here. They move it. And it was in the place.
Okay. All right. Let's see here. Look at that.
I take the wire right
Yeah.
there and just connect it back and sweep the pipe.
That looks good. Wow, yeah, that's having to dig in there for sure.
Yeah, have to break right there and
Yes, sir.
burn a little bit.
Oh, I see what you're talking about on the plastic. Yeah, ain't no worries there. This Earth meets Mother Earth. Yeah.
Look at that separation right there.
Yeah.
That's where we had the foundation
Yeah,
fixed.
when they raise it.
Yep.
This one being right here.
Wow. Oh wow, I get to keep this for my own. We got that. That's still good. Man, I like it. That's wonderful. Great job, my friend. Now, we all get shovels in our hands and I'm gonna help them backfill this. That's it, guys. That is your sewer pipe coming out of your house. If you have foundation issues, that wire right there is probably going to be the one that gets it. All right. Okay, got all this backfilled here. Got this left over, so we gotta do something with all this. And not sure. Yeah. Well, that's the job. That's the full Monty, the whole deal. So, now, does anybody want some dirt?